This is Route O near Fulton, Missouri. They just paved the road. There's a MoDOT worker. And I'm waiting for the other cars to come through first, I guess. I noticed as soon as I pulled up, she kind of hid her face behind the sign, and she hasn't waved or nothing. Oh, there she is. She's looking. Howdy. I nodded to her. She just turned. That's got to be one boring job. Wonder how long he's going to be. Dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum. I'm sitting here behind the stop sign. It's giving me some shade. Oh boy, wish that car would come on, she's saying. Oh boy, oh boy. Am I gonna have the roast beef when I get home, or what am I gonna do? It's almost lunchtime. Oh, here they come. Yay! Oh boy. Oh, good lordy. Okay. Get the cone moved. Get out there. Oh shit! There he goes! Oh no! All right, we're on it now. Now they gonna sit there and talk for a minute, and guess I come a little close to that. What's she gonna do? Yeah. Just been standing here. Just been, sitting here holding the stop sign. I ain't been doing a whole lot of nothing. Just standing here holding this stop sign. Time I see you, then I spin it. I spin that sucker. There we go. Ready? I'll wait till you get ready to go the other way. And now I'm gonna do my job. You ready? This is what I do. I do this right here. Go! I roll. I just worked. Thank you, man. Hey, she waved. Let's follow the pilot truck. There they are up there. Be a lot better job than holding the sign. Just cruising back and forth in that truck all day. Drive up here, stop and turn around, talk to the people for a minute, go back the other way, and stop, turn around, talk to the person for just a little bit, then go the other way, and stop, turn around, do the person just a little And then it's lunchtime. After I do that about 100 more times, I'd say about probably 15 minutes does one, maybe 4 an hour. So if you got 16 of them or so. Then you take lunch, do 16, 20 trips, take lunch, then do another 16 or 20 trips, and that's about an 8-hour day. Just be doing this. That'd be alright. In the AC. It'd be a lot better standing out there holding one of them goddamn signs there, boy. I tell you what now. Yes, it would. We didn't make it to the other side because we're going to turn off right here. Ha. That's funny. Chuck's messaged me, said I can come get you. I'm turning into your road right now, partner. Bye-bye, pilot truck. Bye-bye. Bye. Adios.